Forget holding your breath. Swallowing a spoonful of sugar can stop hiccups almost instantly. Scientists say this simple kitchen fix actually overloads the nerves that trigger those annoying spasms. When you hiccup, your diaphragm is basically having a glitch, misfiring and making you gulp air uncontrollably. Most hacks, like chugging water upside down, only distract you, but sugar goes straight for the cause. The grainy texture of sugar stimulates the vagus nerve, which controls your diaphragm. By sending a sudden rush of signals, the sugar confuses the nerve into resetting itself, ending the hiccup loop. It works best if you let the sugar dissolve slowly on your tongue before swallowing. So next time hiccups strike, ditch the old wives' tales and head for the sugar jar.